Hey there, Shane here with your weekly market update. The 10-year Treasury yield continued a modest rally this week, even though we haven't seen new economic data because of the ongoing government shutdown. The lack of data hasn't stopped the market from moving a bit. According to the Mortgage Bankers Association, applications dipped 1.8% from last week, while the average 30-year fixed rate is still holding steady around 6.2%. That gap in data matters because the shutdown has delayed some of the most important reports the Federal Reserve relies on, like inflation and pricing data that shows how the overall economy is performing. The big report everyone's waiting on is the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, which measures how fast prices are rising. September's report is now expected on October 24th, and it'll give the Fed good insight before their next rate decision later this month. Even without fresh data, markets are still expecting a quarter-point rate cut at the Fed's upcoming meeting, and that expectation is backed by the Fed's own meeting minutes, which showed most officials are more worried about the weakening job market than a rebound in inflation, a clear sign they're leaning towards easing rates again. So what does all this mean for buyers right now? With rates holding steady, now is a great time to get pre-approved and be ready to act if the Fed's next move or new data causes rates to shift. Markets are watching closely, and when they move, they tend to move fast. And if you're a homeowner thinking about refinancing, it's worth taking a look now. A small drop in rates could open the door to real monthly savings. And realtors, this is also a great time to reconnect with buyers who hit pause earlier this year. A friendly rate environment could be exactly what brings them back to the table. The bottom line is that we are in a bit of a holding pattern right now, but all signs point to a potential rate relief ahead once those delayed reports finally hit. DM me anytime if you want to talk through what these changes could mean for your next move. I'm happy to help.